have yet another eye-awakening performance. The monsoons of 2025, with its heavy rainfall, flash floods, cloudbursts, to severe landslides in the Himalayas.
Is the snow, the stones are its eggs, and the matter from the surface pass. The snake always returns to its eggs. The real cause first lies in this truth. We have what we find in notices, roads, cigarettes, and that has never changed its form. But he had improved upon its boundaries, and very remembers its original route and returns. That same water turns into a flood and causes destruction. The fault is not the river's, it is ours.
And what good deed you can drink far and wide. A clean mountain path is the heart man's pride. And so, hand in hand, they gathered as one, promised the earth, our battles begun. Nature in love, but her mercy darkness, protect her with care, and she give your best. Pledge to protect our mountains high, to keep the rivers clear as the sky, to plant new trees and mark the whole, to cherish nature, our true goal. Thank you. I am Anita, acted as a river. I am Aditya, I acted as a government officer. I am Siddharth and I acted as a mountain. I am Jivan, I acted as a careful tourist. I am Vihan, I acted as a curious student. I am Aniket, I acted as a